Hi guys, if you are getting the cannot import registry insufficient privilege error message while merging a registry file, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you a simple and detailed way to take ownership of registry key so you can make the changes you need in the registry editor. Actually, I'm getting the insufficient privilege error message on this registry location, so I have to take the ownership for this registry folder as well as subfolder. So let's see how I do it. First, click on Windows Search, type Registry Editor and open it. Now go to your registry folder where you are getting the error message. Mine is Windows Defender and Features folder. First of all, take a registry backup before making any changes in the registry editor. Now I'm going to select the Features folder, right click on it and then click on Permissions. In the Advanced Settings, you have to change the ownership to make it editable. Click on Change and type your Windows username. My username is 123, so I'm typing 123 and then clicking on Check Names. It will automatically select your username. Click on OK. Now don't forget to select Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects and then click on Add button. Click on Select a Principal, type your username again, click Check Names and then click OK. Next, click on Show Advanced Permissions and select Full Control to enable all the permissions. Then click OK, Apply, OK and OK. Now we have granted all the permission to make any changes to the particular registry folder. Now you need to follow the same process for the parent registry folder to make it fully accessible. The steps will be the same as before. So finally restart your PC and check it again. Your problem should be gone. Stay safe.